Hello my YouTube people, how you doing today? It is Vlogmas day 20. 5 more days of Vlogmas and we have done it. So today, let's relax things down a bit. Today I want to talk about something close to my heart, fluid art as a form of relaxation therapy. If the holidays have you feeling a little stressed, this creative process is the perfect way to slow down, reset, and find some peace in the chaos. In this case, the Christmas chaos, the Vlogmas chaos, any type of chaos, last minute dash, any type of stressful situation. There's something magical about fluid art. The moment you start mixing colors, it's like time slows down. You focus on the present, choosing your colors, watching them swirl together. It's a little escape from all the noise around us. In this case, I'm going to be choosing my signature black and white. Pouring the paint is where the real magic happens. Watching the colors flow and blend is so calming. It's almost meditative. There's no right and wrong, no rules. You just let go and let the paint do its thing. If you watch closely, you can see the little cells forming. For me, it's not just about creating something beautiful, it's about the process. The moment when the paint flows and you see unexpected patterns forming, like those cells I was mentioning, it's a reminder to trust the journey, to let go of control, and to just enjoy the moment. This kind of art doesn't need perfection. It's about finding joy in the processes and giving yourself permission to play. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or just need a little time for yourself, I highly recommend giving fluid art a try. It's like a reset for your mind, your body, and your soul. If you like this video and you see value in it, please press like and subscribe. And you know I love to hear your comments. So let me know what you think about us slowing it down today. Just to relax, listen to some nice music, and just take in the moment. I recommend everybody try fluid art because I guarantee you that it's going to make you feel relaxed. It's so satisfying just to watch the paint take its motion and create its own silent beauty. Don't you think? So, thanks for joining me in this relaxing session. Remember, creativity is therapy, and art has the power to heal. Take some time for yourself today. You deserve it. Until the next time, I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas 21. Stay inspired and stay relaxed.